to the owners, no, if you're not the one, of course with Hale will be providing the fast chargers for the drivers. But if you're like a private car owner, I do recommend if you can charge at home, it's much better kasi mas lower ang per kilowatt hour ng isang residential di ba, bill compared sa commercial. So, like for us, sabi nga ng mga tao, baka naman biglang tumaas ang bill ko sa Meralco. But for us, I think we already have 5 EVs at home and negligible. You can't even feel that. Baka mas mahal pa nga pag naka-aircon ka the whole day, you know? Yeah, kasi parang, isipin mo, 1 EV is like 300 kilometers on range, no? So 0 to 100, that's like 300 pesos to charge it. But for us, we never get to use everything in 1 week, because we're in Metro Manila, isipin mo lang, no? From here to Manila, it's just 12 kilometers. So, ilang percent lang yun of the 300 kilometers na 100% mo. So when people are skeptic to convert to electric, they're always scared of, meron silang range anxiety. It's like a cell phone. So the moment you open your car, there's a battery level. So, di ba, before ka naman umaalis ng bahay, siya-charge mo yung phone mo, make sure mo na full charge ka. Same with a car. So, the moment you open your car, you can see how much you have, and you know how many kilometers it can run. And punta ka sa Google Maps, no? So, tininan mo saan ka pumunta ka ba ng Palayo? Pumunta ka bang Tagaytay? So, i-plot mo from your house to Tagaytay, ilang kilometers. So, sa amin, it's just like 80 kilometers lang yata, or 60 to 80 kilometers. So, meaning, if your car's range is 300 kilometers, makakapunta ka, makakauwi ka, 50% pa lang ang nagamit mo. So, bakit ka matakot? Siguro mas matatakot ka if bad ka na, no? But we already have cars that have 500 kilometers range. And eventually, for sure, no, with how technology is now moving so fast, eventually magkakaroon tayo ng 1,000 kilometers. When that happens, then Baguio, balikan kayo na yun. But kami, we've driven our car to Cabanatuan, and we left Manila at 82%. We arrived in Cabanatuan at like 38%. And I just talked to the hotel where we were staying, at nang-charge po ako kung saan nag-charge yung security guard ng kanyang cellphone. So magkatabi kami, naka-charge yung cellphone niya dun sa isang outlet, at naka-charge yung sasakyan namin katabi lang ng kanyang kasi syempre ano siya sa parking lot, no? And we just charged for 4 hours, and umabot agad kami ng 80%, and the next day we're able to come back to Manila. So, I think you just have to try. And I think lahat ng skeptics, once you really have driven an electric, there's no going back talaga to gasoline.
Thank you. I'd like to add, kapangan po natin si isa din ang sinabi ni in the question, Royel. I'd like to add na totoo yung sinabi mo kasi I'm driving a rolling Starlight right now. Totoo yun, sobrang ganda ng ride, sobra. And na-shock ako, 60% na lang yung kanya, 80% pa eh. Ako 60% na lang. And I was thinking na mag-charge ako. I went to Angeles, Clark. I was expecting that may mga charging station doon. Wala pala. Pero sa totoo lang, nakapunta at nakauwi ako ng 60% yung battery ko. Kaya, at sabihin, you don't have to worry. Sa lahat na nag-worry, sa lahat na nanonood ngayon dyan, you don't have to worry about alam naman natin, like sinabi ni Ma'am Shapsi kanina, nakikita niyo how many kilometers left, how many percent of the battery left. Diba? Parang cellphone lang. Pag nakita ko sa cellphone mo, diba, pag-lobat ka na, charge mo na siya. Diba? Or hindi mo na, i-off mo muna or charge mo ulit. So, ganun lang. Lalo na ngayon, this morning, I just got a message from my Facebook na the gasoline will increase by another 4.480 or 5 pesos per liter ang diesel, no? So talagang it's time. It's time for EV. Saka dapat hindi kayo maging, maraming drivers na natatakot. Sasabihin ko sa inyo, huwag kayong matakot dahil ating unit is 333 kilometers range, no? And for a taxi operation, binage namin ni Lloyd, chinek namin nakaraan, sa isang 16 hours drive, I think you will only consume 200 kilometers o 220 kilometers. So you still have another 80 kilometers left para makauwi ka pa. No? So, ganun, dito lang yung ibang, yung ibang EV, 200 kilometers lang, so natatakot sila dahil kulang pa pag uwi nila sa garahe. So, dito 100%. And then we have a unit like Starlight, we have 510. No? 510 kilometers. Yun yung ginagamit ko ngayon. 3 days na, di ba ako nag-charge? So, thank you.